Hello guys, today I have with me Numeric UPS. So let's just look at the specifications of this product. It's written it's flame retardant cabinet, it's automatic wattage regulation, battery mode startup and quick charge. And on the other side, this can be used for computers, network devices, CCTVs. And the features are LED status indicators, audible alarms are also provided with this device. And it's from Legrand, and the price is around 2485 rupees. So let's just for the technical specifications, you can look here. If you are into the technical specifications, these are the current and voltage requirements. So now let's just unbox the product. Okay, here we have the user manual. This is how it looks. All the installation and everything is mentioned. If you want, you can pause the video and see what's mentioned on this. Okay, this is how it looks. Just this. Now let's take out the actual product. I'm throwing the cover away. It's covered in plastic. We will just remove it. This is how it looks. This is the front portion, and this is the back side. There is no bushes provided, just a plastic base this here. And for the back, we have like 3 sockets. 3 pin plug 3 sockets, and the wire. This is the wire, not really long, but yeah, it will do the work. So, and the plug is like a 3 pin plug. Okay, in the front, let's just power it on. You can see the alarm, and there is a green light that came on with the sound. Let's just turn it off. That's it. It's not that heavy for a UPS. Power is off when there is no electricity. This is how it works. It will make a beep sound like this, and the green light will blink. When the power is really low, it will make this sound. To talk about the UPS, it requires a charging time of around 4 to 8 hours to get it charged completely, and that gives 10 minutes of backup time if just one PC. So that's it for this UPS from me. If you like the video, please like, and if you have any doubts about this product, please do comment in the description below. And thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.